Hello and welcome everyone. We are at Elecrama 2023. We are at hall number 10 and we are having with us Mr. Shriniwas from Spenics, a Pune-based company manufacturing this linear winding machine, and he could give us some more insights about their demonstration, how this machine helps the in electrical segment, how it goes to electrical segment. So sir, just give us an insight about this machine.
Basically, the machine is used for the manufacturing of coils for transformers and tropes and inductors. The machine is capable to handle the wire of round shape as well as the rectangular conductor. This machine can wind up to 400 mm diameter and a 500 mm length, and it's a weight carrying capacity of around 50 to 60 kgs per coil. So basically there is a tension measurement. You can measure the tension. Tension is pneumatically applied and electronically measured. The machine is PLC-based controlled and it has got a programmability up to 20th layer. So you can control the winding parameters up to the 20th layer, and this is a fully programmable machine.
Okay, sir. Sir, so you are manufacturing these machines in Pune itself?
Yes, this is entirely
manufactured in Pune in India. So this is a Make in India product, we could say, supporting Make in India, supporting Make in India innovation. So sir, what are your views on Make in India campaign and how your product is contributing to that campaign?
So basically the point is we are getting a lot of new technology available in India. The government support is equally good. The customers also want to buy a made in India product because they get a good amount of service, local support and local technical know-how from our side. Okay. So they prefer a supplier from India itself so that we can take care of their not only sales but after their manufacturing process also we get involved into that.
Correct.
So that's why they prefer us. And this is basically, this whole machine is built into a system wherein it is made from the laser cutting. It is CNC bent, powder coated. All the parts we make in-house. So we have an in-house machining facility, so we make all the parts and we assemble the product. It's developed on a PLC and HMI-based system, so the reliability is there.
Okay.
And so it's a long-term asset for our customer.
Okay. Sir, so Elecrama being one of the biggest show, so how long you have been participating and how has been the response, and what are your expectations from this year's Elecrama?
We have been participating since 2016.
Okay.
So it has been gradually increasing as our size is also increasing. So it's beneficial for us. Every time we get to know new people, get to know bigger people, and the market is increasing for us. And it's really a beneficial point for us to be here.
Great,
so
sir.
Every time we participate.
Great, sir. Great. We congratulate on you. We congratulate you on this year's participation also, and hope for the best. Thank you so much. Thank you.